changing date format. First of all, we will enable editing, as I taught you last time, and then we will switch to another worksheet. This worksheet, we want to have similar date format. So we select a range of cells that we would like to modify the date format, and then we always come back to the number format under the home tab. We are still on the home, in the home tab, and then in the number format, and then it's already showing those they are a date. So we click on date, more number format, because we still did not find, or we already found date. There is a short date format and a long date format. Let's try short date format. So this is how it looks when we apply the short date format. This is the month, the day, and the year. We can apply long date format. It's actually showing here an example, a scenario, before you even click on those selections. So we clicked on the long date, and you get to see the day itself and the name of the month and so on. Or we can click on more number formats. Let's see under date what possibilities we can apply. This is what we already have, which is the day, the month, and 14, and then the year. We can also, for example, have just the day and the month. Let's click and let's see how it will look like if we only apply the date, the day and the month. So as you can see, this is just 30th of June. This is only applying one format of a date, one specific format. We can play with this as much as you want, or as your proficiency, as your profession, what it requires from you. But usually this is the famous one. The short date and the long date are the most used for professional work. Thank you.